If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. Today we are making a basic prawn and vegetable soup, which is really easy to make, and as this is basic, you can add your own flavors, whatever you like. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the prawn and vegetable soup are around 200 grams of prawns, which I have already cleaned and cut them into small pieces. And if you want to know how to do that, you can check my episode on that. Then for the vegetables, we need 1 onion cut into juliennes, half a capsicum cut into juliennes, and 1 carrot also cut into juliennes. Then quarter cup of corn kernels, 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 teaspoons of red chilli sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Now take a pan or a wok and add around 1 tablespoon of oil and not more than that. Then add all the roughly chopped prawns, and we need to saute them for around 3 to 4 minutes or until they turn a little orange color, which will really enhance the flavor. Then remove them from the pan. Then in the same pan add more oil if needed. Then first add the ginger and garlic paste along with the chopped green chilies. Saute them for a few seconds. Then add all the vegetables, the onion, carrot and the capsicum. On medium to high flame, saute them for a few minutes. Then we can add all the prawns. Then to season the vegetable and prawns, add the vinegar, the soy sauce, all the black pepper powder, some salt to taste, the red chilli sauce, and all the corn kernels. Then combine all these and then add around 5 cups of vegetable stock, or instead you can use water, but using vegetable stock really enhances the flavor. So if you want to know how to make the vegetable stock, you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description below, or click on this above link. Then wait till it starts to boil, then cover it with a lid and reduce the flame to medium, and let it boil like this for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add that to quarter cup of water and make a mixture. Then lower the flame and with constant stirring add that to the soup, which will help to thicken the soup. Now simmer this for around couple of more minutes and it should be done. And that's it, the basic prawn and vegetable soup. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out.